Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading to CVS, and the dates for these deals run from March the 23rd to March the 29th, 2025. As always, these deals are all digital, so you're going to be using your phone to score on some awesome deals. Now, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. Just check it out. You can either print off the principal breakdown, or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. So no need to write any deals down. Now this week is the Epic Beauty Sale, so we're going to be combining even more savings with what we already have. Let me know what your favorite deal of the day is as you're watching the video. This week at CVS, we have an amazing CVS store coupon that you can combine with your other coupons that you're using. And this is the Epic Beauty Sale. This coupon is going to be $10 off when you spend $25 on selected beauty and personal care items. So essentially what you'll do is you'll just scan the items in the store to see if they apply. But it's just an easy deal because you can combine this coupon with other manufacturer coupons on your CVS app to bring your out of pocket even lower. So you're maximizing savings. Now, you can only do this one time. So make sure you spend it on something that you really want. But I was so excited to get my out of pocket down to even more. To start us off, we have a really easy deal on the Miracle patches. These are $6.49. We do not have a coupon for these, but after we buy the Miracle patches, we will get back $4 in extra care bucks. So getting back $4 extra care bucks is going to make these Miracle patches down to $2.49. I've already given these to my daughter, and she was really happy whenever I brought these home. So we have a deal on the one and other regular cotton balls. These are the ones that are $2.99. They have 300 cotton balls in the package. So they're $2.99, but they're buy one get one free. So you're going to be getting another one of these. So pick up two. Your total for both of them is $2.99 or about $1.50 per. Good deal on this because we don't get coupons on things like this. And just having a good buy one get one free on cotton balls so you can save it for later. So this is going to be what I call the deal of the day because this is something that I use all the time. I usually get these from Ulta, and I'm so glad that I didn't get any from Ulta recently because they're expensive at Ulta. So these are the Real Techniques sponges. All right, this is a two-pack. The two-pack is going to be $7.99. You're going to pick up two of the two packs. So picking up two of them is going to be $15.98. I was so excited whenever I saw this deal. So $15.98. You'll pay for that at the register, and then you're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks. Getting back $10 extra care bucks is going to make each of these sponges $2.99 or $5.98 for both of them. When I started couponing, one of the things that I got quite often was deodorant, and I was able to get it for free or, for pennies. And that's not the case anymore. Deodorant is one thing that I'm constantly needing in my stockpile. And I think one main reason too is I like to give deodorant away. That is an item that's always needed in blessing bags, or if I go to the food bank, I sometimes take not just food but toiletries as well. And so the great thing about this deal is it's a two-pack. So we're going to be getting two packs, but essentially it's 4 sticks of deodorant. So these deodorants are $6.29. They're buy one get one 50% off. So with that math, it's like you're paying $4.72 for each two-pack. So picking up two of the two packs is $9.44. Now, we do not have a coupon for this, but what we do have is the buy one get one 50% off, which will make it $9.44. And we have a $2 in extra care bucks. So with the sale and the $2 in extra care bucks, it's going to make the total of all 4 sticks of deodorant $7.44 or $3.72 per pack or $1.86 per stick of deodorant. So $1.86 per stick of deodorant is a great deal, especially when it's something I need for my blessing bags. Guys, I've said this before, I'll say it again. As couponers, we either are getting toothpaste for free or we're paying less than $1 for it. We're not paying more than $1 for toothpaste. So we're going to be getting the Colgate Optic White. These are usually $5.19. They're on sale for $3.99. We're getting two of them. Your total will be $7.98. On the app, there is a $3 coupon on the app. Easy peasy. All we do is click that coupon. That's going to leave you to pay $4.98. Then when you check out at the register, you're going to receive $4 in extra care bucks. So with the sale, the coupon, and extra care bucks, that's going to leave you to pay 98 cents or about 49 cents per tube of toothpaste. I haven't had a decent deal on feminine products in a while, and these Carefree pads, this is the 54 count that I got. They're usually $4.79. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So it's essentially like saying it's like $3.59 per pack. So we're going to get two packs at $3.59 each is $7.18. Now, we've got a coupon on this, and it's $2 for the Carefree. So it's the Playtex, Carefree, all that. So it's $2 on the app. You'll attach that. In addition to that, you're also going to get back $2 in extra care bucks. So with the buy one get one 50% off, the coupon and the extra care bucks, it's going to leave you to pay $3.18 for both packs or $1.59 per pack. Talk about easy deal. This is on the Monistat wipes. I got kind of frustrated because I couldn't find it, but like I scanned those aisles and I was like, I am getting these because this is such a good deal. So the Monistat wipes are $6.29. And even if you don't need something like this, that is fine. Donate it because there's somebody who's going to need it. So $6.29 for this box of Monistat wipes, the feminine care wipes. There is a $5 extra care buck that you will receive after you check out. So you'll pay $6.29, you'll get back $5, and that's going to make these wipes just $1.29. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to clip a coupon, nothing. You just pay for it and you'll get back $5. This is such a good deal, such a great item to donate or keep. Somebody needs this in your life, and that's saving $5. I think about money like that. Like, if I can just go and save $5 today, and I do that every single day this week, I've saved $35. And if I save $35 this week and I do it every single week, that's $140. But guys, in this video, you've saved way more than $5 already. So that is a really good deal. Let's keep going. All right, so I really wanted to do this deal, but my store didn't have enough. I only had one of the Compassion Flyer Myers. So it has to be the Myers Compassion Flyer flour, and I think it's because it's a new smell. Sometimes when it's like a new scent or something, they put out, extra sales. But the Myers hand soap is expensive. It's $6.49. That's going to make your total $25.96. There's no way I'm spending $25.96 for some hand soap to go in my bathroom and for my kids just to use it all. But we have some good deals that you can combine. Now, if you've never used Swagbucks, please check out the link in my bio. Sign up for Swagbucks. You get a kickback. I get a kickback as well. And you also save money. Now, with Swagbucks, you have to submit your receipt. And you can do any of the Swagbucks deals you can do twice. So remember I told you had to buy four. Your total is $25.96. Uh, you're going to submit your receipt twice for this, the Meyer soap, and you're going to get back 500 Swagbucks or $5. And remember, you're doing it twice, so you're actually going to get back $10 in Swagbucks. You'll get back $10 in Swagbucks, and then we also have a coupon for Checkout 51. And you can do this one up to 5 times. And this is just a regular rebate app. Checkout 51. If you never use it, check it out. There's not a promo to sign up. But for the Checkout 51, you'll get back $1.50 for each one. Remember, we're buying four. So because we're buying four, we're going to get back $6 from Checkout 51. So with the Swag Bucks and the Shopkicks, that's $16 in savings. That's going to leave you to pay $9.96 for all four of those. Or two, oops, $2.49 each. So I got this Monday conditioner a couple weeks ago and I'm getting it again. You're getting the conditioner that's the small one. Do not get the big size with the pumps on it. You're getting the one that's 6.29, the small conditioner only. So you're going to pick up two of those. They are buy one get one 50% off. So essentially it's like $4.72 for each one or $9.44. So you're getting two of those. Your total will be $9.44. Now, so on the CVS app, you're going to have that $1 coupon that's going to attach for one of them, and then you're also going to have another $1 coupon on the Checkout 51 app. So Checkout 51, you're going to submit your receipt for that $1 Monday, and both of those will work because remember you're buying two. So you have a $1 coupon on the CVS, $1 coupon on the Checkout 51 app. In addition to that, um, when you check out, your total is going to be $7.44. You're going to get back $4 in extra care bucks. So getting back $4 in extra care bucks is going to leave you to pay $3.44 or $1.72 per bottle. And remember, this started at $6.89 and we got it down to $1.72 with the buy one get one 50% off, the two coupons, and the extra care bucks. So $1.72 for each one. Ooh, I love a good deal on some Nivea lotion. It's just something about Nivea, like the smell of it just makes me feel so comfort. I guess, my grandma used it, but the Nivea lotion is usually $7.29. This is a smaller bottle. It is on sale for $4.99. Plus, we have a $3 extra care bucks that you'll receive when you check out. So no coupons needed on this deal. But remember, we're going from $7.29 to $4.99. You'll get back the $3 extra care bucks, and then your total will be $1.99. So that's a really good deal. $2 for some awesome Nivea lotion. Love it. This is your reminder to make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to all. Let's keep going. Now, on this deal, my store didn't have any more copper tone. They were out, so I wanted to show you the visual breakdown. And you can find all my visual breakdowns on my Instagram channel. So the copper tone is $11.99. You're going to buy two of them. Your total is going to be $23.98. You're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks when you check out at the register, and then you'll submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $3 back on each one. So you'll get $6 back, making the copper tone just $3.99 each. CVS has various crackers on sale right now. They're usually $3.59, but when you buy two, the total is going to be $5. You're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks at the register, making each box of animal crackers just $1.50. The Dove Men Plus Care is $6.99. You're going to pick up two of them. Your total is going to be $13.98. There is a CVS digital coupon for $4. And then there is also extra care bucks you'll receive back of $4. So with the $4 digital coupon and the $4 back in extra care bucks, you're going to pay $2.99 each. Total Home toilet paper is $8.99. You're going to pay for that at the register and get back $3 in extra care bucks, making your total on the toilet paper just $5.99 each. Garnier Fructis is usually $4.99. It is on sale. Buy two, pay $8. There is a $3 CVS digital coupon on the app. And then you're also going to get back $3 in extra care bucks. Ignore that where it says I bought it. It's not. It's $3 extra care bucks. So that is $6 in extra care bucks and in coupons, making the Garnier Fructis just $1 each. The Axe body spray is $7.29. You're going to pick up two containers. Your total is going to be $14.58. There's a high valued CVS digital coupon for $7 off when you buy two Axe products. And then you're also going to get back $3 in extra care bucks, making the Axe spray $2.29 each. Irish Spring bar soap is $2.49 each. You're going to pick up two containers. That's going to make your total $4.98. You're going to pay for that at the register and get back $2 in extra care bucks, making each package $1.49 each. And last but not least, if you are not signed up for any of these rebate apps, IBOTTA, Shopkicks, Swagbucks, or Fetch, sign up using my referral codes in this picture here, or look for the link in my bio to sign up. It's easy peasy to do so. You get a kickback, and I get a kickback as well. Let me know your favorite deal of the day in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Now, these are all the deals I'm bringing to you today. I hope you enjoyed them, and make sure that you like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about us, because I'm telling you, prices are high and we don't need to pay for these high prices. We need to save money for our family so we can do the things that we love to do with them and spend time with them. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one, and let me know your favorite deal of the day in the comments.